Welcome! So we are back with our FPJ update. If you guys are tuning in for the first time, definitely make sure to check out my link on how to make this, the step one. But essentially, all of that sugar has started to saturate and do its thing. You have some at the bottom there. But you'll see over the next few days, as this ferments and breaks down, we'll just be left with this nice liquid of fermented plant juice. And yeah, this is a really cool, it's one of my favorite things to make because it's super easy. I don't really need a lot of ingredients for it. And most of the stuff you can just find or get, you know. I tried to, so the fruit that I got from a friend. I also took some of the fruit that I have at home here. But all to mitigate the costs of actually making your input ingredients, you know. You don't want to be spending exorbitant amounts of money and, you know, it defeats the purpose. Gardening is supposed to be easy, but by no measure simple, you know. Well, simple, not easy, sorry. Because it's simple, people think that it's easy, and that's usually the catch-22. It's really simple to do, but it's, I suppose, the diligence and the time and just committing to not wavering from other methods, you know. And that's not to say I haven't tried other things, it's just more, there is certain things you don't need to do anymore after you've gotten to a certain point. You know, stop drinking the Kool-Aid, as they say. It's also one of my favorite smelling nutrients because it's got a very, well, you can smell that it's fermented, put it that way, but it's not this overpowering, rotting smell. It's almost like a nice, sweet, slightly tart. It smells like some kind of syrup, I would say. As always, like and subscribe for more, guys.